It's Pop-Up Science. Have you ever tried to explain a complex scientific concept to a kid?
Dad, I wonder, why do things fall when we drop them?
Explaining gravity can be a little complicated. Need some help? Try a DIY at home, kids.
Gravity in a box. What's that?
Gravity. Gravity. Gravity!
Gravity is an invisible force that pulls everything towards the center of the Earth.
All right, what do you think will happen if you drop both of those at the same time?
The biggest one will drop the fastest. Duh.
Okay, let's find out.
3, 2,
1.
They hit at the same time.
They hit at the same time. That's exactly right, Tammy, because gravity has the same exact effect on all objects.
He's right. Gravity has the same pull on all objects.
Gravity even keeps our feet on the ground. Watch.
That's gravity in action. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. Ouch! Remember, gravity is everywhere.